Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
Derelict.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Derelict is in very poor condition, meaning run down and deteriorated. The opposite would be in great condition.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Worn out, ruined, neglected.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Sturdy, well cared for, in good shape.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the derelict spaceship apply for a job? Because it wanted to stop being a space bum and start earning some Starbucks. Now let's use it in a sentence.
The derelict bridge was no longer safe to cross.
Now let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
That was an honor to come here to teach us new vocabulary words, and I really like this. We watched videos and we love them. Singable Words.